हेलो लर्नर्स, वेलकम टू अनफोल्ड यू, योर फेवरेट डिजिटल लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म। मैं हूं दिलप्रीत, आपकी मैथमेटिक्स मेंटोर। चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का टॉपिक, जो कि बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, दैट इज पैटर्न्स इन क्यूब नंबर्स। इन दिस ट्यूटोरियल वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट पैटर्न्स इन क्यूब नंबर्स, smallest multiple that is a perfect cube, and let's revise. We have learnt about cube numbers in previous video lesson. चलिए क्यूब नंबर्स में कुछ पैटर्न्स को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं। तो पहला पैटर्न है एडिंग कंसेक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर्स। ऑब्जर्व द फॉलोइंग पैटर्न ऑफ सम्स ऑफ ऑड कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर्स। इज इट नॉट इंटरेस्टिंग? How many consecutive odd numbers will be needed to obtain the sum as 10 cube? जैसे कि पैटर्न चल रहा है 5 consecutive odd numbers add करके 5 cube बना. Then for 10 cube 10 consecutive odd numbers will be needed. अब next pattern है cubes and their prime factors. Consider the following prime factorization of the numbers and their cubes. Here in this table, each prime factor appears 3 times in its cubes. जरा 6 को देखें and then 6 के क्यूब को ऑब्जर्व करें। 6 के क्यूब में हमें 6 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स 3 बार दिखाई देंगे। Similarly, in other numbers, you can observe the same pattern. In the prime factorization of any number, if each factor appears 3 times, then is the number a perfect cube? Think about it. Is 216 a perfect cube? By prime factorization of 216, we get that each factor appears 3 times. 216 is equal to 2 cube multiplied by 3 cube, which is equal to 2 into 3 whole cube, which is equal to 6 cube, which is a perfect cube. तो यहाँ पर factors can be grouped in triples. चलिए अब एक एग्जाम्पल से हम सीखेंगे हाउ टू फाइंड स्मॉलेस्ट मल्टीपल दैट इज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. राज मेड अ क्यूबॉइड ऑफ प्लास्टिक. लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड आर 15 सेंटीमीटर, 30 सेंटीमीटर एंड 15 सेंटीमीटर रिस्पेक्टिवली. Anu asks how many such cuboids will she need to make a perfect cube. Can you tell? Raj is just going to tell volume of cuboid. क्या आपको याद है वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ क्यूबॉइड क्या होता है? जी हाँ, इट इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड. वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड इज इक्वल टू 15 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 30 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 15. उसके बाद अगर हम इनके फैक्टर्स को तोड़ के लिखें, इट बिकम्स 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Since there is only 1 2 in the prime factorization, so we need 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4, to make it a perfect cube. Therefore, we need 4 such cuboids to make a cube. So that was all about patterns in cube numbers. तो चलिए कुछ क्वेश्चन रिवाइज करते हैं टू चेक योर नॉलेज. So the first question is, if 15 has 2 prime factors, then how many factors do 15 cube contains? जी हाँ, a cube of a number contains thrice the prime factors of the number. So 15 cube has 6 prime factors. The next question is, how many consecutive odd numbers are needed to make 7 cube? जी हाँ, 7 consecutive odd numbers are needed to form 7 cube, like shown here. Is 1188 a perfect cube? If not, by which smallest natural number should we divide so that the quotient is a perfect cube? The solution is, this is the prime factorization of 1188. The primes 2 and 11 do not appear in the groups of 3. So the number is not a perfect cube. In the factorization, the prime 2 appears only 2 times and the prime 11 appears once. So if we divide the number by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 11 is equal to 44, then the prime factorization of the quotient will not contain 2 and 11. Hence, the smallest natural number by which the number should be divided to make it a perfect cube is 44. And the resultant perfect cube is 1188 divided by 44, which is equal to 27, which is equal to 3 cube. So this is Dilpreet signing off. We will explore further in next tutorial. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.